We're in Menghun, and we talked this taxi cab driver into bringing us up here, which he just gave us a look like, are you crazy? Now I understand why. We're going up about 8 kilometers to a monastery if we make it. But this road is really crazy. He's never been up here before. Oh my God, I don't know if we should even do this right here. And we're getting some crazy looks from the people that we're passing who probably don't ever see vehicles come up here. So, again, wish us luck. This guy's got some serious balls, man. Jesus. Holy shit. Is it on?
Yeah.
That was a hell of a ride up a hill in a non-4-wheel drive car, and this guy's got some balls, man. I can't believe we made it up that hill. So he's gonna wait for us. Hope to God he's gonna wait for us. He's checking out his van.
Oh, really?
He's supposed to be quiet.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful here. You have to be really quiet. If you see a Buddha statue, you have to kneel lower than it. And if you're in front of a monk, you don't want to have your feet straight towards them. You want to turn them out. It's beautiful and quiet up here. Welcome to Menghun. This is a nothing little dusty town in China, but I love it. The people are so friendly. And the reason that we're here is to see the Sunday market tomorrow. It's just supposed to be huge and fabulous, and all kinds of people from different cultures come here to do market day once a week on Sunday. And as you can see, there's absolutely nothing going on. It's 6:30, there's not really any food going on. Most people sleep in the afternoon because it's so hot. So we're gonna have a couple beers and some peanuts we found at the market and hope that some food stalls come out with some cooked food.
Shit.
Here we are eating street food again. I recognize this meat, it's chicken. I'm very excited about it. We got some mangoes. Everybody's packing up for the night. It's becoming dusk, and we're really excited tomorrow because this entire sleepy little town is gonna just be packed with hill tribe people coming down from the mountains, coming down from these little villages you can only hike to. They're probably already hiking out tonight, gonna spend the night just to get here to buy goods and sell goods. And the market happens at about 7 a.m. to noon. And I'm just really excited that we were able to get this chicken tonight because I'm hungry. Oh boy. Chicken on a stick. That is beautiful. Street food is the only way to go when traveling. We've got some mangoes, we've got some bananas, got some beers, some napkins, and we carry our own fold-up bowls. That's really good. Yummy. Let's eat. Well, we're here here. We made it to market day. As you can see, this is a big market where they're selling everything from vegetables to chickens to pigs to ducks, sewn clothing, and all kinds of foods. So people come from all over the hilltops around here in southwest China to buy or sell something one day a week on Sunday. I'm buying a bag from a Hill Tribe lady who's come down for the market today. They want to sell you everything. I'm going to offer her 5 yuan. It's going to be 71 cents for this bag, but I don't know if she'll go for it. $1.42. It keeps going up. So.